Welcome guys to HowToBrowser YouTube channel. My intention today is to show you how you can install a calculator on Windows 11. Currently, I checked my Windows. I searched for Windows for calculator, later. Okay, and I do not have any results don't show up here because normally you'll have a calculator on your Windows 11, but I don't have one. But that's not a problem because I'll show you how you can install a calculator, which I need as well. So uh, let's now jump right into the video. So what you need to do, guys, is to tab on this search icon right over there, and now here please write Microsoft Store. Easy. Okay, let's wait a couple of seconds. It's loading and I have other softwares open. Okay, it showed up actually on the other screen, so let me drag it over here. So as you can see, guys, here we have Microsoft Store, and there's a lot of apps which actually I really like, and you can download from here. Now let's search for calculator, and right over here we have Windows Calculator and other apps, but I recommend you guys to install this one because this one is from Microsoft Corporation, is the official one. There are other apps, other similar calculators, but this one is better, and I really like this one. You can simply, it's a really powerful calculator that includes starter, scientific, and programmer modules, as well as a unit converter. So that's another reason, that's a plus for me, because I need programmer modules to calculate, and it's perfect tool. It's really a perfect tool, and I love it. So now let's tap on Get. Wait a couple of seconds. By the way, guys, let me know in the comments down below if you are facing currently any problems, or you need someone to create a tutorial for you, like you don't know how to do something and you want to have a tutorial, you're interested to find the solution and you don't know how, and if you just let me know what problem you're currently facing and what you need, and I'll create a tutorial if I can find a solution for you. Please really let me know, because I need more ideas, okay, to create tutorials, and I really love to do that. So now just tap on the open, and as you can see, now we have the calculator. All right, you can have programmer, graphing, scientific. We go to settings as well. App theme, you can change the theme. And now, as you can see, if that's really valuable for me, tap on this button. When you calculate, you want to see, alright, you want to see, tap on this button right over here to keep on top. It's really valuable because you don't want to overlap the other window, like you're looking here to calculate something, you want, these are the results and you want to see, and then so that's really valuable as well. And what I would do, I would tab or right click and add this in the taskbar, because I use calculator pretty often, so why not, right? So this is the video, guys. I hope this video helped you, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments, okay? If you are interested in more tutorials and you like this video, please subscribe and like this video so we can reach 20 likes. See you guys in the next video. Take care.